It's all going down on the all-new Judge Karen's Court.
Who do you think you're talking to here?
I bid it.
Let me ask Mr. Williams, are you a licensed contractor?
Yes, I am.
At the time, he was not. In 2005, he was not.
Okay,
he was not, honey.
wait,
don't you sit here and lie because
You're
you
the
know.
liar. You're the liar.
Lying.
Miss Tucker, you know what? I want to go back to my chambers and you guys see if you can work it out.
No, I could never work it out
Okay,
with him,
then
but
you
he needs to keep it real.
Miss Tucker.
He does.
Miss Tucker.
He ruins my life.
Miss Tucker. I'm ready to go to lunch.
And I'm ready to stand here and let the world know what this guy, how he destroyed my life. It's not
liar,
fair.
Your Honor.
He's under oath lying.
Under
He
oath,
can't be
that's right.
serious.
Miss Tucker, if you have another outburst like that, I'm just gonna walk out of here.
Okay.
I'm just gonna walk out of here and the world won't know nothing.
Okay.
Got it? Well, were you thinking about parts of her body and telling her that?
I said I had a dream when I saw her naked, yeah.
Right. And you said it like that?
Yeah, something like that.
You need to work on your approach.
Yeah, I know.
That's not gonna win you any points with any woman I know. What kind of respect does he owe a fake ID?
Well, I just felt like it was a disrespectful thing that he did.
Well, what did you think? Maybe he felt
something.
But do you think maybe he felt disrespected that you tried to pass yourself off?
Well, instead of just politely asked me to leave.
Okay, but he didn't.
Instead
He just
of trying
ripped
to
it apart.
take my property with him.
Okay.
And I asked him to give it back to me.
And
then
then
he
ripped
started
it up.
bending it. Yeah.
And then what did you do?
I punched him in his face.
Okay, so you met her. You thought she was a pretty girl.
Yes, and we had some few drinks, and photographers start to take our photos.
Why do you think photographers were taking your photos?
Well, we like to dress nice, and I guess we look good together, kind of glamorous, and you know.
Well, let me see you two together and see if I see this glamorous thing.
Okay, so
Yeah,
you know.
I guess I can
okay,
see
thank you.
Then why, if that's the case, it's still that way for me, why do you have me here?
Sylvia.
I have her here because it's not right the way she do things. Like, she is so wrong and she needs to be punished for the things that she does.
I hope you learned your lesson. When somebody's talking too fast and using ebonics, you need to run the other way.
Excuse me, ma'am.
And the counterclaim, what, defamation of character?
Defamation
You
of character.
defame your own character. You defame your own character. If you don't know what the price is, then how do you know when you've given enough money?
Because it was $300. I would have told him
But
more.
you gave it $370.
If it
Was it $300 for the dog, or was it $370?
The initial price, we agreed on, it wasn't $500.
Okay, what was it? For 5 minutes
can't-
now, I've been trying to figure out what was the price.
The price was less than $500.
But more than what? Less than
It
five?
was less than $5, but it had like we agreed on like $450 or something like that.
Wow. $50 more, we're gonna be at $500. Okay, so how did you slap him?
With the dark side of my hand.
So you slapped him with the backhand?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
did
ma'am.
you come back with the left hand and slap him with the left hand? How did you slap him backhand twice?
I think I slapped him with backside of my right hand, then I slapped him again with the
So it was
with
a
just
slap,
a regular
slap, like
no,
that?
yeah, exactly.
Okay.
I was intoxicated when I signed that.
That's a lie. That's a lie.
Okay, wait. Well, surprise! Is there ever a time when you're not intoxicated? You may be intoxicated right now, for all I know. If this was drug court, I'd have him give you a drug test right now, because who knows? When you got into that car and knew you had been drinking, you didn't think about the fact that your mother is not enjoying running through the grass with you and riding on the back of that motorcycle with you because somebody was drinking and got behind the wheel of a car?
I made a dumb mistake.
Another dumb mistake was to file a lawsuit against the only damn person in this world that seems to really care about you and who has been with you since the day you were born, changed your diapers, blew your nose, spent many sick nights with you with ear infections, dealt with you and your terrible tubes over a wheelchair. I mean, I could see if she had gone on some gambling spree in Las Vegas, but it's how she gets around. I'm ready to rule. Case dismissed.